Today we're going to learn how to write an equation from a graph, which is our essential question. Typically, you can write an equation from a graph by identifying the slope and the y-intercept, and we can get it into slope-intercept form right away. Remember, the y-intercept is where the graph crosses the y-axis. In our case, the graph crosses the y-axis at -3. So the b in y equals mx plus b is -3. Then you find another nice point on the graph, and we're going to count rise over run to get our slope. Notice that from left to right, our line is rising, so our slope will be positive. We went up 1, right 2. So our slope, our rise was 1, and our run was 2. Our slope is 1/2. Putting that into y equals mx plus b form, we have y equals 1/2 x minus 3. Same process, see if you can identify that y-intercept where the graph crosses the y-axis. Our b in this case is a +2. Try and find another nice coordinate that your line goes through and count rise over run. Notice this time from left to right our line is falling, so our slope should be negative. We went down 3, right 1. So our slope is -3 over 1, or -3. Putting that into y equals mx plus b, we have y equals our slope is -3, and our y-intercept was a +2. Looking at our graph this time, it crosses the y-axis at 0, so our b is 0. The next nice coordinate I see is down here. Again, my line is falling, so my slope is negative. I went down 3, right 4. So my slope is -3/4. Putting that into y equals mx plus b, I have y equals -3/4 x, and the +0 doesn't change anything, so I don't need to add that. And now we have a special line. What we want to do with the special lines is determine which value doesn't change. Remember, the horizontal and vertical lines have either an x equals or a y equals equation. So we need to identify some ordered pairs. I have -3, -5. Here I have 0, -5. Over here I have 5, -5. Notice my x values changed, the first number in my ordered pair, but the y values did not. I have -5 for y on all 3 ordered pairs. So the equation of my line is y equals -5. And you have 2 U-try questions.